So, my friend, how is your experience at Plastindia?
It's great, wonderful. This is really the place to be.
Let's see what the day 4 has to offer to us.
Okay, let's go.
It starts with a conversation, a shared idea, a turning page, and suddenly you're inside something much bigger. Plastindia 2026, where the global plastics industry comes together at unmatched scale, where leaders, innovators, and professionals converge. One platform, one vision. This is future of plastics in motion.
You just say to insert a 3D file via SD card and you can easily print it.
इसकी MFI 0.3 होती है.
So you have the most efficient screw design for your process all the time.
From every corner of the world, the industry converged at Plastindia 2026.
From Italy to Plastindia.
Vietnam to Plastindia.
From Canada to Plastindia.
From France to Plastindia.
From England to Plastindia.
From Japan to Plastindia.
From Switzerland to Plastindia.